Hello, here I am again. So now I've painted the men. Here they are with their uniforms. In the meantime, I've also painted the peaks on their caps with some gloss black, and now I'm painting their boots, their footwear. So let's just show you what I'm doing, and let's choose one who is already painted his the peak on his cap. Well, what's this? I've got paint on my fingers, of course. What else? It couldn't be otherwise. I'm using a 05 brush. In this case it's enamel, very good quality brush. And we're going to just paint his boots like that in gloss black. Nicely polished boots. You'll go to your work. Okay. That's one. These are just tiny details, but when we see them on video, in certain cases it will be fixed figurines, it will be put on permanent loops, like on buildings, the signal box, and then I'm planning to maybe fit others on a little platform, a little pedestal or something, so that they can be moved around and we can see them in different positions in the videos. So okay, that's his boots done. Because everything was painted in the same shade of glossy blue, so there's no point in putting these ones over here, the finished ones. I'm going to have to touch up some skin as well, so I'll have to mix a flesh colour as well. I'll just use some white with a tiny spot of red in. I don't have a specific paint because these were really not painted very well. Okay, let's do this guy here. This is a guard on the station with his okay, so that's easy. There we go. And that's that done. And I'll just continue offline because it's not really very interesting.